Welcome back to another video. Today we got a Menards Black Friday sale. It says doors open at 6 a.m. Friday, November 29, 2019 or 2019. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more to reviews to deals. Yes, I don't have a Menards here. I wish I had a Menards. There's a bunch of great stuff from Menards, great tools, just a bunch of great stuff. Just wish that they had some here on the West Coast, Arizona. Even in California, if they had one in California, I could probably swing by a store when I go, visit or something. But anyways, those of you that are on the East Coast, you guys are lucky because you guys have them. All right, let's go ahead and get started. We got a 6 hours of savings. It says closed Thanksgiving Day. Well, thank you, Menards, for closing Thanksgiving Day. A lot of stores are opening Thanksgiving, and they're not giving their employees that day off. Like this one, Menards, it is giving their employees the day off. As family, I can't read that. It's kind of blurry. This is a family-owned Midwestern company. Menards recognizes Thanksgiving special holiday. Celebrate with the family and friends. All right, I'm not going to read the rest. All right, on to the savings. You got 6 hours savings. Prices are good November 29th, 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. Available in store only while supplies last. You got the Master Force is pretty much like the house brand from Menards. It's like the Cobalt brand from Lowe's or the Ryobi brand from Home Depot. That's the Master Force to them, Menards. So you got Master Force, everyday low price sale, man, rebate. So the way Menards work, most of the time on these items, you can mail in the rebate and get that amount off. So you do have to put down the full amount of the sale, and then you get that $50 off, and then it becomes $2.99. So everyday low price will be at $1.99. Sale price for today, or Friday that day, it's gonna be $1.49. So a sale price is gonna be $1.49, and then when you get the mail-in rebate, it's gonna be $50 less. So total of the items gonna out the door, or after the rebate, it's gonna be $99. Same thing with this. It says everyday low price $99, mail-in rebate $40. So after everything, it's $59. Not a bad deal, guys, because you can put all your mail-in rebates and get all your money back. Lights and sounds friction truck $2.99, half price. Barbie $2.99. You got some another stuffed toy $4.99. I'm gonna try go over only the tools, but if I see anything that's a great deal, I'll probably just go over that too. You got the 9.5 pan, $4.95. This is a fryer. You got an air fryer for $19.99. You got some batteries here for $1.99. It says 30 pack of clean batteries. You got the Android tablet for $54. That's not a bad deal. You got a 54-inch Madison electric fireplace for $159.99. You got a nice ladder here for $98. So this is like the Little Giant, basically just pretty much just like the Little Giant generic version. You got 6 hours of savings. Your choice $9.95. So $9.95 any of these. Lifetime guarantee. So you got Earwin vice grips. Earwin quick grip, or you got 12-piece T-handle ball and hex key set. You got a nice Master Force here, 3-pack folding hex key set for $4.99. A Speed Pack utility knife, a 3-piece titanium shear set, a 6-piece screwdriver set, SAE combination, I guess. It says your choice, so you got your choice of any of these. Wow, that's a great deal. So SAE and metric 11 piece combination wrench set, or SAE and metric universal folding nut driver set. This nice little tool here. Very little handy tool to have. All right. It says your choice, $11.99. So you get a 6-piece cutting plier set or a 5-piece groove and slip joint plier set. It's really great deals there. You got a Crescent everyday low price, $86.99. Sale price, $79.99. And then you get the mail-in rebate, which is $20. Total final price is $59.99. Definitely a great deal there. You got a Masters Force for $29.99. SAE or metric 7-piece hex set or flex head. My bad. You got a 20-piece pass-through socket set, $16.99. Not a bad deal. Definitely a great deal. All these are great deals, by the way. You got a 2-pack 25-inch tape measure for $9.99. You got a 46-piece drill and bit set for $7.99. You got a spider set, 13-piece bimetal hole saw kit, $39.88. You got a tool shop, 220 foot-pounds of torque. So this is, I never heard about this tool shop brand. $59.99 for that. You got a 4-bolt lithium screwdriver for $99 or $9.99. You got a multi-finish detailer sander for $16.97. This is your choice for $9.99. 22-piece reciprocating saw blades or the 3-pack 7 1/4 circular saw. And they are CMT orange tools. So never heard about those tools either. That was probably house brands from Menards. Your choice, $69.99. Flex, what is this? Flex Scylla. Hybrid hose reel. Nice. Got a folding clamping bench, $9.99. Definitely a great deal on this one. 12-inch tool bag for $88. Rotary toolkit, $8.99. Oh, this is nice. See, I wish we had a Menards over here. I would definitely stop by and grab myself a lot of tools. 4-inch angle grinder, $9.98. We got 2 days deals. Price is good through November 29th and 30th while supplies last. You get a 75-piece impact bit set for $19.99. 27-piece oscillated multi-tool for $17.49. You got a multi-tool kit. It is a wired, by the way. $39.99. Still, it's a multi-tool. You're doing the work. 19-piece screwdriver set, $2.99. 6-piece wood boring set, $4.99. 4-piece countersink, $4.99. You got the 3-pack of 10-inch, $19.99. You got the 6-inch bed grinder, $29.99. It's a great deal here. Sorry guys, my phone. As you guys know, I do run my own business. I do pest control, so I do my own work, and people don't understand that once you reach a certain time, you shouldn't be calling companies or you shouldn't be calling people asking for work. And I keep getting text messages from customers. Anyways, you got save 30% off. Skill your choice, $27.88. So you got reciprocating saw, you got orbital action jigsaw, or you got a 7 1/4 circular saw. So your choice, any of these. Definitely some great deals. I can tell just by these tools, you could easily, as a DIY home use, you could pick these up for under $28 basically. You got 7 1/4 compound miter saw, $68. Definitely a great deal. 10-inch table saw with the stand, $99.99. So definitely a great deal on that. I never use those brands, but if you're a DIY, it's gonna work for you. You got a 6-hour savings, $4.99 your choice, 24-piece bungee kit, 4-pack of ratcheting straps, or a 2-inch by 27J hook tie down or tie down, and you got a 2 by 27 flat hook tie down. And you got a nice shop vac here. Great deal on that. It is an 8-gallon wet and dry vac. And by the way, Shop Vac is an own brand, so that's their brand. Shop Vac is not a general name you call a vacuum. Shop Vac is their brand. So 16 feet booster cables. Is that a 16 feet? Yeah, 16 feet. 6 gauge, $6.99. You got the 1.5 amp charger maintainer, $9.99. You got the lithium jump starter for $39.99. Pneumatic low back stool, $24.88. 2000 psi electric pressure washer, $149.99. Got a 2-day sale. Price is good through November 29/30 while supplies last. You got a 24 volts battery snow shovel. Nice. Just under $100. 500 lumens rechargeable tilting work light, $12.49. You got a 10,000 lumen high impact work light, $24.99. You got the 40-inch. Oh, this is nice. I gotta get me something like that. 40 feet. This is 14 by 3 triple tap retractable cord reel. You got the 4050 starting 3500 running watts, $229. Definitely a great item here. Smoking deals on these. 16-inch 58 volts cordless chainsaw, $139.99. You got the trifold aluminum ramps, $69.99. 6 hours of saving. You got thermal heat for $49.99. This is a 37,000 to 43,000 BTU. You got a Hudson electric stove, $38.99. You got some little gadgets here. Wireless weather humidity station. Oh, these are nice. Like to have one of these in my house. Under $20. You got AACU Rights barbecue thermometer, $29.99. You got some ladders here, working heights positions. 14 feet aluminum telescopic ladder, $89. You got 6 feet rolling utility scaffold, $98. You got a folding step stool, $4.98. You got a 2-day sale, Blackstone 28-inch burner griddle, $149. Oh, they got a whole bunch of stuff here. We got a ladder for $49.99. It's an 8 feet, so it's the longer ones. You got a nice folding wagon for $49.99. Got some inflatables here. It says Kids Inflatable Travel Mattress, $19.99. Definitely a great item to have. Metal detector, $26.88. Queen Dura Beam Pillow Rest Air Mattress, $28.79. It says built-in AC electric pump. What is this? Ultrasonic humidifier, and includes a bottle opener, wheels, handles, 40-quart 2-in-1 wheeled Bubba cooler. Nice. Got some great stuff there. 6 hour savings. You got a 3-piece folding utility or folding knife set, $9.97. Hawk Pro 14 infrared trail cam kit under $40. You got a 4-piece cleaning knife set, $12.98. You got a 2-pack walkie-talkie, $16.99. You got a 12-inch by 50 wide angle binoculars, $12.99. You got 20 by 60 millimeter spotting scope, $29.99. You got some nice lights here for $5.99 each. You got a two-person ladder tree stand, $119.99. You got what is this? 30 guns fire safe, $289.90 or $289 after rebates. Got 2-pack viable folding knife set, $14.99. Titanium tanto knife, $19.99. You got some clothing here. Guys, if I'm going too fast, feel free to pause the video. I'm just trying to make this video as short as possible. And then again, we are a tool channel, so we're just going to go over the tools. But, you know, you can look at the prices, pause the video, rewind it, whatever you need to do. Even if you could want to lower the speed on this, down to the right or up above on cell phones, there you get a menu there that you can either beef up the speed or slow it down. So we're just fast forwarding real quick. Hopefully we can see some more tools. Got a lot of gifts for the kids, for the family. You got some Christmas decorations. You got some gadgets here for the house. Oh, it's got a nice speaker here. It's a 2,600 watt portable speaker, $44.99. Got an Android tablet for $39.99. Got some headphones here, $6.99. Got a sound bar here with subwoofer, $44.95. What is this? Tablet case, keyboard, $12.99. It's not a tablet, it's just a tablet case with a keyboard. I got a speaker here, $24.99 for that. Got some more gadgets here. Definitely a lot of gifts, a lot of ideas you could get the kids and the family. Got a nice chair there, office chair for under $40. Some stools. Some gift sets here for $7.47. Some kitchen stuff. Definitely great for the kitchen. It says Toastmaster, your choice. Final price $4.99. Definitely great deals on all these. Six-hour savings. You got a dishwasher, mic tag, $4.77. Great price. Got some candy there. Some more candy. And we're almost done here. Some dog and some pet toys and beds there. Some more pet toys. Alright, that's it for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, to deals, Black Friday deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.